Here's the Chanel DeVille. We have a little visitor. I'm Brandy and welcome to Brandy and Company. In today's video, I'd like to review the Chanel Vanity case. This is a vintage piece. We'll go over it in further detail. I'd like to compare it to this vanity case from Kate Spade. It's the Morgan style, and we'll go over it more in detail as well. All right. To start, I just wanted to share with you guys my thought process right now because things are changing with me and my collection. I have been selling a lot of bags, kind of like consolidating, because I'm noticing I'm just not using them all, and I'm in a phase of life where I just need more capacity. Under my sink, I've been housing this. This is where I keep my makeup only. I don't wear a lot of makeup, hence why this is so small. But it's been under my sink, and this, I probably paid between $400 and $600 for it. So I just started thinking one day, why do I have $400 to $600 sitting under my sink? So that's why I went on the hunt to find something that would still meet my needs, that was nice, that's still gonna last, but does not cost $400 to $600. And that's how I got introduced to this Morgan vanity case from Kate Spade, which is around the $100 price point. You can get it on sale for a little less, which I did, and it's actually working out really great under my sink. Because I don't travel with mine. I think if you actually have a vanity and you're keeping your makeup and stuff on top, out where you can see it somewhere, I could see the appeal of this and why the investment might feel worthy. But for me, it's under a sink. It's just ridiculous to have that amount of cash. I think of it as cash sitting under the sink. This is for sale on my Poshmark. If you're interested in it, just look for Brandy and Company on Poshmark. You'll find it. I also have it linked below. You might see it on eBay as well. But if you're interested, I'll give you a much better price if you contact me directly below or on Instagram. All right, so I'll pop the measurements up here on the screen. And it's black caviar leather. It's beautiful. Not a lot of discrepancies with it. I think this can come off. It just needs to be white. Let me show you. It's a little pull tab. It has a wipeable lining on the inside. It's PVC. Faux leather, fake leather. What else do I call fake leather? Pleather. It's pleather. Comes with the serial card. It has this cute pocket here, which is, it's kind of nice if you do travel with this to keep bobby pins or safety pins, little things that could get mixed up with other stuff in this area, Band-Aids, something like that. But it's really just an open compartment, and I really liked it. I laid things out kind of flat here. The only thing that has happened, again, this is vintage, is this here. The date code and everything is there. So yeah, if you're interested, just let me know. But it's a really beautiful piece. Really beautiful. It's that nice, like, good caviar from Chanel, you know what I mean? I don't remember what year it's from. I'll also pop that up here on the screen as well. All right, so that's why I'm parting ways with this. Let's move on to the Kate Spade Morgan vanity. This is what they consider like a Saffiano leather. It's not as luxurious at all as this. The pull tab has Kate Spade on it. You guys can see that. Kate Spade here. The zipper is very nice and smooth. Comes all the way to the back. Pop it open. I've started using it, but it has this mirror. So there's a D-ring here that the mirror attaches to. There's Kate Spade there. I'll never use this. Like, how little it is. That's little. But it does pop in here. Now that all the wrapping's out pretty well. And they do have this indentation here to make it very easy to pop in and out. I guess you could carry it in your purse. I don't know. I won't be using it. But we're gonna leave it off for now. This is just a pocket, open slit pocket here. And pull that off. Everything has the Kate Spade branding on it. Open the zipper here. It's a slit pocket, zippered pocket. It's very tight. I don't know what you would put in there. Maybe your bobby pins, safety pins. In here, I'd probably put some hair accessories. I don't know, a brooch. And this is what it looks like currently at max capacity. And what I love about this vanity case, this Morgan vanity case from Kate Spade, is the organizational features it has. And I usually don't like organizational features. That's why I love this case, because it's just one massive open compartment. So I'm not gonna go through everything in here, but I don't have a lot of stuff. But I wanna get to the nitty gritty of what is so amazing about this vanity case from Kate Spade. Okay, inside, I'm gonna turn it this way so you guys can see. It has these elastic, what would you call this? Elastic holders. So it's great, like here, I love Westman Atelier. In most vanity cases, you're gonna store it like this or like this. And I have two of these. So because I have two, they have different names, right? And I love that I can store them facing up and I can see the names. So let's just do one together. The Monet. So when I'm getting dressed and I know I want to wear a Monet, I can just pick that one up and I'm not picking up Bichette and hoping that it's Monet. Anyway, I really love that feature. And there's a little spade there for Kate Spade. And also from Westman Atelier, I have quite a few of these, but I just love how they're not floating around. It decreases the risk of them getting shattered. I mean, it's just so easy to find. So I absolutely love that. And I just house them like that. And then all my other bits and bobs, mascaras, a few lip products are there, right? So all that stuff that I use regularly is right there. And then my big items, like foundation, stuff like that, I usually just pop it in here and it sits so nicely. For less than $100, even if it didn't sit nicely, well, it's better than having, again, $4,600 sitting under my sink. And everything is so easy to find. I keep my brushes in something else, but I have just really enjoyed this. I've had it for maybe a month now. I just want to make sure I liked it before I offered this to someone else, and I do like it. I really, really, really like it. It's a little larger, you know. Let me zip these up so we can do a true side-by-side comparison. See, this is taller. This is taller, but this has is wider. So the depth is more on the Chanel. So you're getting that extra space with the height here. They're about the same when it comes to the length. Yeah. It's a really short video today. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, if anyone's interested in this, let me know. The details and link for this Morgan vanity case from Kate Spade will be linked below. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. I hope to see you guys again soon. Toodles, bye.